Hey everybody, Standell, President Florida SunCoast. Hey, we're outside. Feel like I've been trapped in the house for about 3 weeks here, so it's nice to get out, and the air tonight's so nice and fresh. So a lot to get through. Let me jump right into it. This weekend, a really busy weekend, 2 Cars and Coffees. Fort Myers, BMW Fort Myers, we're Cars and Coffee on Saturday morning. Come on out and join us there. Kim and I are going to be there. Come on out and see us and shake hands, and let's stretch, just get out of the house, and we'll swap hurricane stories apparently. And then on Sunday, rescheduled to this Sunday, is the Naples Cars and Coffee down at Germaine BMW on the Southern Store. So that's Sunday morning. So Saturday morning Fort Myers, Sunday morning is going to be down in Naples. And then we jump into, I've got a bunch of notes here, just let me make sure I've got it right. Then we jump into the 22nd, that's Jacksonville. Jacksonville, we're going to Dockside Restaurant there on Jacksonville Beach. Great place, I've been to that restaurant. So all the folks in the Jacksonville area, meet us at Dockside. We'll have dinner there. What a great place to come, socialize, see your folks, and share the aspects of the car. On the 26th, we're going to, this is going to be the 26th is going to be the rescheduled drive we had. We're going to meet at exit 170 off of 75, meet at 9 o'clock, depart at 9:30. We're going to do a 2-hour drive out in the country, nice curvy roads, and go have some fun, stretch out the cars. They've been in the garage way too long. And then we're going to end up at Linder Lodge Restaurant in Sarasota. Traditional place, everybody in the Sarasota Market sort of knows about this place, and so we're going to go have lunch there. Looking forward to that. I've never been to Linder Lodge, so I'm looking forward to sort of checking it out. Everybody tells me I should have a really good time. Then on November the 2nd, we have 2 events. First one is Cars and Coffee at BMW of Sarasota. We'll be there. No, I won't. I'm doing a wedding that weekend. BMW of Sarasota. Lochlann is really pulling it together there for the Cars and Coffee on the 2nd of November. And then also on the 2nd of November is Panama City. This is a rebook because of Hurricane Heline. So Chris and the group, Margaret, are going to go out to Brews Cafe in Ponce Leon, and that's a nice little drive, and I think just a reschedule of that one, and the weather should be perfect for this now. The cars are going to be running in some cool air, and we really should have some fun. Skipping ahead, we have 2 events in early November, the 5th and the 9th. 5th is at St Pete Clearwater, and that's going to be Acqua Alta Restaurant. That's in Clearwater, so Jeff's got that tied up for us. And then coming right back on the 9th, and we're going back to Peepaw's. Peepaw's will host our Bimmers and Brews, and it should be just a blast. This gentleman has opened his doors to us and has really welcomed us in. So a lot going on. Check the calendar, get your RSVP in, come on out. We're getting right before all holidays, and we get a lot of our snowbirds are coming back in. So a lot to be done. Let's get this done. Watch. Probably the next week or so, I'll be booking the Sebring event for the first weekend in December, so I'll get that posted. And we're going to Sebring and doing our Corral and Track Drive and all that kind of stuff for the first weekend in December. We're not doing Daytona this year, but we will be doing Sebring first weekend in December. So until then, happy motoring, y'all. Have a great time, and look forward to seeing you at all of these events. See you now. Thanks. Bye.